Now, just to show you our South African quality that I have explained whilst being in Germany and Netherlands. This is amazing. Our service is just amazing. Look at that smile. You don't get that smile in Netherlands or Germany. Thank you very much.
Is it pizza ook al?
And look, our lovely pizza. Look at our pizza.
How many euros?
Look at this. And how many euros? Now, guys, 6 euros. Only 6 euros. And only 4 euros. Where do you get this? There's no better place than South Africa and our wonderful quality. I just have to brag. Okay, bon appetit, over and out from South Africa to Germany and Netherlands. My dear colleagues and friends, I just want to make you very green of envy. Love and wishes, bye.